Hi, it's Danielle here from Arnold Tutoring, and today we're going to talk about two-digit by two-digit multiplication. A lot of times these questions seem tricky, but you can follow the exact same steps every time. It makes it a lot more simple. So with our first question over here, we're going to start by multiplying every term by the 3. This is the same as what you do if it was just simple 2 by 1 multiplication. So I'm going to start 3 times 4 is 12. I carry the 10. 3 times 2 is 6. Add the 1 that I carried, gives me 7. Then I always have to drop down to the next row. I'm going to use a 0 as my placeholder because we're moving from the 1's digit over to the 10's digit now. So in order to do that, I put a 0 in the 1's column. And now move over so that I can multiply every term by this 1. So I have 1 times 4 is 4. 1 times 2 is 2. The final step is I'm going to put a little addition sign, and I'm going to add the 2 rows. So I keep everything in nice, neat columns so it's easy to add. You get 2 plus 0 is 2, 7 plus 4 is 11, so 1 carry the 1, just like regular addition. 1 plus 2 is 3. So my final answer is 312. If I move over to the next example, I have 42 times 35. I'm going to follow the exact same steps. Start by multiplying everything by the 5 here. So 5 times 2 is 10. Put the 0 down for the 1's spot. Carry the 1. 5 times 4 is 20. Plus 1 gives me 21. Again, I want to be careful about being really neat with my columns and my rows so I can add everything up after. The next step is to drop down, put a 0 placeholder so that I can move over to multiplying everything by this 3 that's in the 10th column. 3 times 2 gives me 6. 3 times 4 gives me 12. And really this 1 isn't here on the second round because we already used it the first when we were multiplying by the 5. So 3 times 4 gives me 12. I'm going to add everything. Again, I have everything in columns. It's easy to add. 0 plus 0 is 0. 1 plus 6 is 7. 2 plus 2 is 4. And nothing plus 1 is 1. So my answer is 1,470. See how quick it is to multiply two fairly large two-digit numbers, and you can get a pretty big product out of that just by following those really simple steps. For more, you can check out our YouTube channel or arnoldtutoring.com. Thanks.